Would you tell a person that's going through something want to give up?
You ain't the only one. You ain't the first, you won't be the last, but don't quit. Pray, talk to somebody. Even if it ain't nobody to talk to, talk to the other and ask for a way. Because it is a way. Don't give up, you got purpose. Usually the person getting beat up, the person that feels like that is getting beat up or being attacked or in a situation, is you're worth something. You weren't worth nothing, you'll have it your way forever. You ain't gonna see nobody why they got it so easy, but they easily going down, boy. But they easily, they got it easy, that easy for a reason. You got it hard because you worth something. Know your worth. I'm telling you right now, if you got it hard and you want to give up, that's, cause get what? The enemy can't touch you. You gotta trick you into touching yourself. Trick you into quitting, into crashing out. Don't do it. Don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Hey, don't do it. We all been there. You ain't the first one, won't be the last.